Hey everybody, this is a special video for me today because this channel recently crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is kind of a big deal when it comes to YouTube channels, and I am just really excited to be here, and I'm really excited to talk to you guys right now about that. You know, when I started this channel, I thought I would just be making a couple little videos. You know, I'd go into sports photography forums and I'd see some of the same general questions all the time, and I figured, well, I'll just answer those questions, post them, and that'll be the end of it. But as I've gone along and people have suggested new video ideas to me, I've discovered that I kind of like making these videos and I kind of like sharing some information. And in the process, I've actually learned quite a bit myself, because when I provide content, I have to do that research and I have to learn and make sure I know how to do it before I talk to you guys about it. So I'm learning as I go along. And it's opened up a whole new world for me. I never really done video before, and now here I am doing video productions. Not very well, but I'm getting better as I go along. So with that, I'd like to thank everybody who has joined me on this adventure, and I really hope you stick with me. My promise to you as we move forward is to provide the best content I possibly can, and to try to make it as enjoyable as possible. In the coming weeks and months, I'll take you along with me as I go to football, soccer, swimming, diving, cross country, running events, all sorts of different sporting events that you can see, you can participate in, you can see how I do it. You can either say, hey, he's doing it right, he's doing it wrong, but we can have that conversation along the way. Of course, as I do it, I'll be giving you tips, tricks, things that I like to do, and hopefully you can provide some good input and say how you like to do it, and perhaps you have a better way than I know how to do it. If this is your first time here, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you can receive notifications for upcoming videos. In the meantime, check out a couple of these other videos. I think you'll like them.